Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect IBM Db2 to AWS Glue for data cataloging, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to your IBM Db2 database and AWS Glue account. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service. In the left-hand menu, select Data Catalog to begin setting up your catalog. Click on Tables and choose Add Table to initiate the process. Select Add a Table using a crawler. Next, configure the crawler to connect to your data source. Under the crawler source type, choose JDBC. You will need to provide the JDBC connection string for your IBM Db2 database. The typical format for the JDBC connection string is JDBC Db2 // hostname port / database. Replace hostname, port, and database with your IBM Db2 server's actual details. Next, create a new IAM role that has permissions for AWS Glue to access your Db2 database. In the IAM Management Console, navigate to Roles and click Create Role. Select Glue as the service that will use this role. Attach policies that grant access to the necessary resources. Review your settings and create the role. Return to the AWS Glue console and input your newly created IAM role for the crawler. Configure the crawler's output database by choosing Add Database. Name your database for future data cataloging. Proceed to specify the crawler's schedule. Select Run on Demand or set a custom schedule as needed. Once configured, create the crawler by clicking Add Crawler. Run the crawler by selecting it from the list and clicking Run Crawler Now. Monitor the crawler's progress in the AWS Glue console. Once completed, navigate to the Data Catalog section again. You should now see newly created tables representing your Db2 data. Click on any table to view the schema and metadata. Utilize this information for data processing tasks within AWS Glue or other services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.